What's up guys, Dave here from thegadgetbook.com, and today we've got a MacBook Pro unboxing, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is the brand new 16-inch base model MacBook Pro. It has 16GB of RAM, 10-core CPU, 8 high-performance cores and 2 low-efficiency cores, 16-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine to help accelerate machine learning tasks. So opening the box, you will find the MacBook Pro laying on top. On first impressions of holding the machine, it feels a lot heavier than my previous 16-inch model and also a lot chunkier. So inside the box you will get a leaflet containing instructions on how to use the MacBook Pro, warranty information and also a few Apple stickers. You will also get a country specific charging plug, and you will also find the charging brick alongside that as well. Underneath you will see the all new MagSafe charging cable, which has a USB-C port at the bottom. The MacBook Pro does support fast charging with this cable, so it will be interesting to test this in the future. The bezel-less design of this MacBook Pro looks really good compared to its predecessor. The bezels are now much thinner, which I'm a really big fan of, and they look really good. They're very immersive. The screen also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, so the content will be super smooth when scrolling through content. So alongside the MagSafe port there is 2 Thunderbolt ports and a headphone jack, and on the other side we have the return of the SD card reader and HDMI with addition of another Thunderbolt port. The keyboard feels great at first glance, but we have to give our full opinion on this machine in the full review, so stay tuned for that. So at first glance of this computer I'm really impressed. The return of the HDMI port and the SD card reader, which is a great useful tool, and also the screen, which looks really great. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and we'll give our opinion in the full review. If you want to see any specific videos on this MacBook Pro, hit them in the comment section and we'll get them out.